Hello, and welcome to Omnia, the channel where the orange dude does stuff. This time, he decided to fly out to the Antarctic because he had nothing better to do, where he is now surveying the dancing penguin. These penguins, coincidentally, dance all day. A lot. They just keep dancing. They hunt for fish during the day and store them in their natural flab pockets, which is always handy. Good things happen when they eat their favorite fish. For example, on certain occasions, they will take off like a rocket ship and erupt into space. It's a spectacle to behold. The blubbery angry seal is their worst enemy and predator, especially for the really young ones. It's seal time. The orange dude has been surveying the skies, and has encountered a wild group of lesser tactical assault flamingos. They have the wonderful natural ability to target their prey with a homing beam, then flamingofy them. This is incredibly painful. Don't worry, we caught it on film. They also get hit by stray beams of green lightning and breach insanity, but don't worry, it's totally normal. This is the golden coma lion. They sleep for 23 hours a day. They can even manage to sleep through the end of the world, it would seem. Thank you for watching. Omnia out.